Holy shit, it's a fucking rocket launch. Hell yeah. Go to the moon. Or wherever the hell you're going. That is fucking awesome. It's a goddamn rocket launch. Hell yeah, go! Get a better shot without all that shit in the way. Fuck, it had to do it while I was drunk, didn't they? Holy fuck. That's fucking awesome. I can't believe I finally got one on video. I've only seen 2 before. You know what? I could be wrong, but I think my hand is steadier when I'm drinking. The video will tell the proof. That's no excuse, though. I know better. God, that's fucking beautiful. It's like the hand of God, but reaching down, but that's the hand of man. Man is God. We are the universe, people. There is no thing but I. Okay, that's too deep for me to get into. Oh God, it's going beneath the trees. What the hell? I hope it's actually... That's not in orbit yet. What the fuck is happening? No, I can't see. Well, it didn't look like it was making orbit. If it blows up, maybe we'll see a big glow. Let's just keep on recording and see what happens. Okay, camera, stop that. Okay, focus on that cloud. There you go, camera. Camera, I said focus there. Trying. Okay, now I gotta be steady. And we're waiting for a big orange glow. I hope not, anyway. I hope it made it to orbit. But it didn't look good. That glow was lasting a lot longer than other launches that I've seen went. I mean, usually it just goes up through that smoke trail. And then the flame gets really huge because it's in the lower or upper atmosphere and there's less pressure up there to hold the flame tight. And then it just disappears over the horizon. But that, I don't know. That just looked different. And I don't know. I'm worried for it. Although I'm guessing at this speed, it's far enough beyond the horizon, even if it did have the worst happen to it, then we probably wouldn't even see the glow anymore. It was going pretty fast, I'll give it that. I hope it made it to orbit. I don't know what that was. I hope it made it to orbit. Or its intended place, anyway. Oh, there's an airplane. Well, why the hell is there an airplane there already? They literally just had a fucking rocket launch. Did the NOTAM expire that quickly? You see it flashing there on the video. He's going south. And there's another plane going north. Oh, fuck, the mosquitoes are out. We'll see what happens. Let's read about it on the news.